Good morning. I think there's a dog in the distance. They either got a smell of me or he heard me. Big dog. I found a couple of things. I've been here about 10 minutes. Cast iron, stove leg, bottle, 10-4. I'm not sure if that was a dump truck or an ashtray. It's kind of too perfect for a dump truck bed. It's red. Now maybe I'll clean that up and see what that is. Okay, I'm removing this piece of styrofoam from right here. I know the water got up this high. I don't know. Maybe 4 foot. Just from right there, I mean, it keeps going downhill. Found a bottle here. I've never dug right here. I'm gonna probe down there and see what's down there. I just pulled this Federal Law whiskey out and this can here. Then I found this marble. Found me a marble. Oh, I like that. Look how it's completely white on one side and dark blue on the other. Oh yes. I've never dug right here. I'm still beside this tree. I've been saving these old batteries. Look how long that one is. If they're big enough, you can save the carbon out of them for electrolysis. I put them in the, I get a bag full and take them to one of the big chain stores and put them in the recycle. So just, if you're digging, just put them in a bag, double bag, triple. Just take them to your local recycle center. I don't know if they collect them or not, but I don't want them in the ground. All I'm finding is a battery spill and mason jar spill. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Might be some uranium glass, but it's broken. Kind of hard to tell unless you clean it. Yeah, might be kind of a light uranium. And all these batteries, that might have been like a cartwheel. I'm gonna get rid of these batteries. Oh, I found a cast iron, and it's all right down next to the sand layer, clay sand. Feels like sand clay mix. All the trash is in this little part. Is all the way down at the bottom. Finding a lot of broken sodas in this little part. This one's still got the cap on it. We'll go right up through here and see what's up there. Is that deer? I don't know. Well, I'm digging into some older stuff back up here. I'm just not finding much. Broken bottles. I found a marble. I can't. It just makes you wonder how many I've missed going through the dirt. I wiped it off on my shirt. I don't know, some mason lids, ceramic. So that dog's barking again. That's a big old dog. Hope he don't come over here. I found some World War II cobalt. It's cute little. And glass electrical. Found a coin. Oh, and here's that Barks root beer. It's painted. Alright. I don't know, I'll have to research this. This was broken. I'm still here. If the sun was out, there's no way I could still be here. Well, I didn't find much today. 7-Up, broken Coke, and some mosquitoes, and a whole bunch of those inserts. Milk glass. Well, I didn't find much today. Broken Coke, 7-Up, milk glass inserts, I don't know, 12 to 15 of them maybe. That's broke.